welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be looking at the benefits of using citrus pre-wash, and in particular Infinity Wax citrus pre-wash. We're going to be doing it on this absolutely moss covered car, and we're going to see how it goes. We're going to try a few different dilutions just to see which is going to be the best for us. So stick around, you'll see it. First things first, I'm going to give the tail end a spray down with a pressure washer, take off any of the loose contaminants, see what we can get rid of first, and then we'll get at it with the citrus pre-wash. As you can see, we've power washed that, and it's not really made much difference at all. It's not taking any of this hard stuff off, it's really baked in. So we're going to start hitting this with some different dilutions of chemicals. Citrus pre-wash. On the back side here, we're going to use 1 to 10 dilution, 1 to 5 dilution, then a 1 to 5 dilution plus a layer of Snowfoam on it, just to see how it works and see what's going to work best for this car. We're going to start off, we're going to divide the boot into thirds. 1 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 plus Snowfoam, and we're going to see where that takes us. I've already got some 1 to 10 mixed up from a previous wash, so I'll use this straight away, but then when I'm going on to do 1 to 5, I'll show you how I mix it up in the bottom. So we've layered that on quite thick, and what we're going to do, we're actually going to let it just sit and just soak into the car for a good 5 minutes. Then we're going to power wash it off again and see what that does. Okay, so we've given the 1 to 10, between 5 and 10 minutes to just settle in. Key thing is here, you don't want to let this dry on your paintwork. I know it doesn't really matter with this car, it's a test car, but don't let it dry on your paintwork at home. I'm going to give this a blast off and see how the 1 to 10 mixtures worked out for us. So from this point on, I've lost all the data from my primary camera, so this voiceover will have to do. Here I'm illustrating how I went over the section that was untreated and the build-up of grime would not shift, compared to how it would melt off the treated section. Moving on from this, I completely lost all footage of the 1 to 5 dilution, which performed better than the 1 to 10, but still left some stubborn marks. So we jumped to the application of the wipeout Snowfoam over the 1 to 5 application of the pre-wash. This turned out to be the best combination, completely removing all build-up of grime from the section it was applied to. Finally, we can look at the before and after of this process. Bear in mind that this hasn't even been touched with a wash mitt yet. I think the results speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.